Hello students, today we are going to discuss the syllabus of BA second semester. Paper 1. In paper 1, poetry till 18th century has been included, and you have these very familiar writer. You have Shakespeare, sonnet number 18, To This Love, sonnet number 116, True Love. Then you have John Donne, Valediction, and Sweetest Love I Do Not Go. Third writer, which has recently been introduced to your syllabus, is Andrew Marvell, Horatian Ode upon the Cromwell's Return to the Island. It's this marvelous poem. Then we have John Milton, this greatest writer of all time. We have his On This Blindness and When the Salt Was Intended to the City. Then there's John Dryden. He also recently been added to your syllabus. His poem Song for Saint Cecilia's Day in 1687. We have Alexander Pope. We have already completed from Essay on Man, Epistle 2, Proper Study of Mankind is Men. Alright, we have already completed this, and we are going to start Lines on Edison. Okay, these both, the first poem, Proper Study of Mankind is Men, it is taken from Essay on Man, and second line, Lines on Edison, it's taken from an epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot. Alright, then we have essay, elegy written in Country Churchyard by Thomas Gray. Then we have W. Collins, To Evening. This is the writer also included recently into your syllabus. Then we have William Blake, The Tiger in London. Very important poems. So all these poets, they are very important. In question can directly ask from Shakespeare and John Donne, as they are, the favorites of the examiners. Okay, they can ask from Pope as well. Long question. Let's see the pattern of question paper, how they are going to ask. Okay, the question paper, it comprises of 2 sections, as you know, as you're familiar with the pattern of Kumaun University. And there will be 2 sections, A and B. Section A, which consists of 22 marks. Alright, it's a short answer type question. Okay, you are going to they are going to provide you some lines, and they are going to ask you about to explain these lines. Okay, so you have to do the reference to the context and critical comments and conclusion, although that pattern I have told you. Okay, we will revise it about the pattern, how to conduct, how to appear these questions. Okay, how to do these questions, these lines, to achieve good marks. Anyways, section 2, 8 comprise of 33 marks, and you have to attempt any 3 long type questions. As I have said, that Shakespeare is very important. Andrew Marvell is very he's also important, I think. Alright, so any 3 long question they are going to ask you, is definitely they are going to provide you options from which you have to, they are going to provide you 6 options, out of which 3 you have to answer. Alright, so be prepared for that. Anyway, let's see the second slide. Okay, in paper 2, there is 18th century drama. We have Sheridan, Rivals, and Goldsmith's She Stooped to Conquer. Get this very straight. Okay, this time the pattern of question paper is little bit tricky or little bit different. The question paper, as it always is, it comprises of section A and B. Section A is of 22 marks. It consists of 1 compulsory short type of question, or anyways, things like that. They are going to take any of the passage from the drama, and you have to explain it from where these lines has been taken from. Alright, and this thing is that this is question only. सिर्फ वो क्या करने वाले हैं, गोल्डस्मिथ के शी स्टूप टू कॉन्कर से ही सेट होने वाला है, जो आपका सेक्शन ए है. Okay, so if you are preparing for lines explanation, just read line wise. ओके अब तुम्हारा जो काम है थोड़ा सा सिंपल हो गया. ओके यू डू नॉट हैव टू रीड दिस, you can directly prepare long question from this. Okay, while for lines you have to study line wise this drama Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer. Alright, so they are going to ask only from She Stoops to Conquer. There will be 4 passages of 5.5 marks each. In section B it is of 33 marks, and candidates shall have to attempt 3 long questions. Similarly, the pattern is all the same. Getting it? So get it very straight that they are going to ask lines only from this. Lines जो आती हैं वो सिर्फ इस ड्रामा से आने वाली हैं, इससे नहीं आएंगी. गेटिंग इट? तो लाइन वाइज तुम्हें अगर पढ़ना है तो सिर्फ इसे पढ़ सकते हो. इसकी अगर तुम सिर्फ समरी भी पढ़ लोगे तो ये चल जाएगा. गेटिंग इट? इसकी आपको सिर्फ समरी पढ़नी है एंड इसकी लाइन वाइज रीडिंग करनी है, लाइन वाइज स्टडी करनी है. इसकी सिर्फ वैसे ही तो आपको नॉवेल्स को, इस ड्रामा को भी पढ़ना ही चाहिए, बट इफ़ यू हैव लेस अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, यू हैव नॉट दैट मच टाइम लेफ्ट, तो आप सिर्फ इसकी समरी पढ़ के जा सकते हैं, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पढ़ सकते हैं, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली तैयार कर सकते हैं. बट इस सेक्शन की आपको लाइन वाइज नॉवेल्स पढ़नी पड़ेंगी. गेटिंग इट? सो दिस वॉज योर सिलेबस. राइट.